bueno.
It's too taas ba?
I don't wanna do this na. I don't. I wanna tanggal.
Tingnan niya tanggal.
Wala siya na-plaster man ko.
Daw, let me see.
Yeah.
Itanggal din.
Why?
Too taas ba? Murag kuan.
Ito naman ako malita.
No, it's really fake.
Pangit.
It's not pangit man, but
Pangit.
it's really fake.
Hindi. It's fake. Fake lash man siya.
Gali, pero ano kayo ba nga fake lash? Ben, look at me. Ben, cover your eyes na without lashes. Ay, wala mo guna nagpanda.
Wala pa ganin ako na plaster. I told you, I don't know how. I can't see.